Hello, my name is Roy and I'm in the third grade Warlock worksheet. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so it's adding multiple numbers. Okay, so first one is 600 plus 20 plus 3. The easiest way to do it is add up the smaller numbers first, because that's easier, and then add those two numbers together. So it's first 600 plus 20 plus 3. The two smallest numbers are these, so if you add these up, you get 23, and you can just add 600 to it. And if you do that, that would equal 623. 40 plus 8. Basically, what you're doing, it's 40 plus 8. So basically, what it is 40 plus 0, 8. Just bring down. This equals 8, 4. So this one is 48. Oops. Okay. 300 plus 60 plus 9. Just add 60 plus 9, which is 69, and then add 300 to it. And if you do that, it goes 369. Okay, 200 plus 40 plus 6. Just add 40 plus 6, and if you do that, it goes 46. And you're just going to add 200 to it. And if you do that, it goes 246. Okay, division. Okay, 30 plus divided by 5. I'm going to set it up like this. Second number is on the outside, and then the bigger number is on the inside. This. You see if 5 could go into 3, which it doesn't. So you have to try putting it to 30. If 5 does go into 30, it goes into 36 times. You multiply these two numbers, you write it down here. 5 times 6 equals 30. Subtract them. If you get 0 on the bottom right here, that means this top answer is your answer. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. You can also check by doing 6 times 5. And if you do that, it equals 30. That means that's the correct answer. 48 divided by 6. You want to do 6 divided by 48. 6 does not go into 4, but it does go into 48 8 times. And you subtract 48, because 8 times 6 equals 48. Oops. And if you do that, that equals 0. 0, so this answer is 8. 4 divided by 4, whenever you're dividing two of the exact same numbers, it's always going to be 1. Because 4 times 1 equals 4, and like 3 divided by 3 is 1 also, because 3 times 1 is 3. You could also check by doing this. 4 goes into 4 one time. Okay, 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times. Multiply it, subtract it, 0, 6. So 6 times 4 equals 24. Multiplication. 2 times 4, that basically means 4 plus 4, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and if you do that, it goes 8. Okay, 2 times 9, which basically means 2 plus 2 plus 2, 9 times. Or you could do 9 plus 9, and if you do that, it equals 18. Or you could just do it like 9 times 2, that equals 18, or you could do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 in each of them. And if you count that up, it goes 18. 10 times 2, that basically means 10 plus 10, or 2 plus 2 plus 2, 10 times. Or you could do 10 times 2. You multiply like this, and then you multiply like this. So it's just 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 1 equals 2, and so it's 20. 8 times 1. Whenever you multiply anything by 1, it's always going to be that number. So, like 1,000 times 1 equals 1,000. 999 times 1 is 1,000. 8 times 1 is 8. Kai has 50 crayons. He breaks 16 of them and loses half of the remaining crayons. How many crayons does he have left? Okay, so it says he has 15 total right now, and then he breaks 16 of them, so you have to subtract 16. So you have to borrow from the tens place, so this one becomes a 4. This goes to 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 34. He has 34 left. But it also says he loses half of the remaining crayons. So right now he has 34 crayons. And then it says he loses half of them. So half is 2. So to divide by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. 2 times 1 equals 2. Subtract it. You get 1. And then just bring this down. 2 divided by 14 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14, and you get 0, so he has 17 crayons left. Mark has 29 pennies and gets 2 more from his friends for his birthday. He loses 5 and gives away 9. How many pennies does he have left? So it says that he has a total of 29, and then he gets 2 from his friend, so it's add 2. 9 plus 2 equals 11. You can't put 11 right here, so you have to put it on top of it here. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So he has 31 in total right now. And then it says he loses 5 of them, so you have to subtract 5. You can't subtract 1 from 5, so you have to borrow from the tens place. This one comes to 2. This one becomes 11. So it goes 6, 26. So he has 26 right now. And then he says he gives away 9, which we have to subtract again, because he gives it away. Okay, so you can't subtract 6 from 9, so what you have to do is borrow. So when it comes to 16, so 16 minus 9 is 7. Just bring it down. So he has a total of 17 pennies left.